8-foot space. The Michigan line's layout models iconic locations in southeastern Michigan around the Detroit area. Bringing this vision to life required careful planning. Rather than relying on computer programs, Jay preferred a more hands-on approach to doing a layout plan.
Track planning is my favorite aspect, to try and put all this together, because we're taking all these memorable family locations that are important to us and try and blend them so they make sense, so you can run trains through them prototypically. So putting that all together, actually fitting it in the basement, which is large, but sure could be larger, and so that to amplify a little bit, many iterations of the track plan to get that correct. And one thing I did that some don't do, I found it very helpful. Rather than trying to come down with a computer program that actually pinned down the layout, I would have the track plans thoroughly sketched out, and then I would actually take the turnouts and the track and make sure it fit and how it fit together most effectively. And that resulted in the final design, the final iteration of the track when it was actually laid down. The layout height is nominally at 45 inches. It does go up in certain areas, even at fairly flat layout, which is the Michigan topography in this area. It still varies 3 or 4 inches, and that height, the average 45, seemed to be a good compromise between reach, the physical appearance of the layout, looking at it, and also we figured that we have some roll-around seats that you can sit on that puts you right at track level, as if you were a HO rail fan. And if you want to get that view, you can get that view. You don't have to actually take the whole layout and put it at 55, 58, 60 inches to get that effect.